Hello everyone. So let we do the correct answer of this expression. Inside the parenthesis 7 plus 3 and here is the whole square divided by 5. Okay. Are you ready to do the correct answer of this problem? Okay, thank you. In order to get the correct answer of this expression, we have to follow the order of operation Pemdas. Okay. According to Pemdas, multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction here. Okay. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis here. Okay, parenthesis first. Inside the parenthesis 7 plus 3, which equals 10. Then 10 square divided by 5. So here in this expression there is one exponent. Okay. So first we have to do this exponent, because according to Pemdas, this exponent comes before this division. Okay. Therefore 10 square means 100. That means 10 square means 10 times 10, which equals 100, then divided by 5. Then 100 divided by 5 is just 20. Okay. Therefore the correct answer of this problem is equals to 20. The correct answer of this problem equals to 20. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe and be familiar with this channel.